Getting the installation has failed error while installing Discord. Yeah, that's one of the most common Discord issues, and it can happen for several reasons. Corrupted files, background processes, or permission problems can all prevent Discord from installing properly. In this guide, I'll show you the best fixes to get Discord installed and running again. First, make sure Discord isn't already running in the background. Open Task Manager and look for any Discord-related processes. End those tasks completely before trying the installation again. Old or corrupted files can interfere with installation. Open File Explorer and remove Discord's cache and temporary folders. This forces Discord to create fresh files during installation. Next, right-click the Discord installer and select Run as Administrator. This gives the installer the permissions it needs to write files and complete the setup process. Sometimes antivirus software mistakenly blocks Discord from installing. Temporarily disable your antivirus or add Discord to the exceptions list, then try the installation again. Make sure you're using the latest Discord installer. Older installation files may no longer work correctly. Download a fresh installer and try again. If the error still appears, restart your computer before trying once more. A restart can clear locked files and background services that may be interfering with the installation. And that's how to fix the Discord installation has failed error. By clearing old files, checking permissions, and using a fresh installer, you can usually complete the installation without any issues. So yeah, hopefully Discord is up and running on your system again. Thanks for watching.